Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. Friends, my name is Biswa and in this video we are going to review one of the masks basically. So these are the masks that I have right now with me, and these masks basically that I got from UK, United Kingdom. As you know, I already have reviewed the mask related to PureMe N95 masks, and this is also similar kind of mask that I am going to show you. So here that I have a Aropec mask, and again I have a Tasca mask. So this is basically Tasca one. I'll tell you what are the features of these masks and why these masks are basically important for us. So and I mean when we need to wear these masks. So these two masks are of different uses basically. Whenever I'll tell you how it is basically beneficial for you, and which mask basically you should choose whenever you are purchasing a masks. And along with that I also received a few PM 2.5 which is the carbon filter which I have received. So let us start with the Aropec mask. So I'll tell you, so basically this Aropec mask I received it from the Craft Credence. I'll provide the link in the description section. If you want to purchase these masks, you can definitely go ahead and place the order. But these masks are basically available in UK anyway. I mean if you are purchasing from India, you have to place the order in the website itself. It is not available in Flipkart or Amazon. So directly you can purchase this particular mask from their website. And if you are from UK, you can directly place the order. You will not have to pay any shipping charges, it seems. But if you are ordering from India or some other additional countries, you definitely need to end up paying some shipping related charges as well. So let's start reviewing this particular product. So this is an Aropec mask, and this mask is completely basically it is quite beneficial. It has 3 layers of cloth layer. It is a cloth face mask. So I'll tell you what are the 3 layers. We can open it and I'll show you as well. And the properties of this mask is it is antibacterial and it is a water repellent one. So you can basically this is water resistance. You can directly go ahead outside, and then if any rains and all is happening as well, right, you can this will protect you from that as well. This will protect your carbon filter which is inside. This will protect your N95 filter. Everything it will protect. Along with that, it has a Swedish technology silver ion Polygiene, which basically kills 99% of the germ within an hour or 2 basically. So that is the new technology that they have added in this mask. So if you will see outside mask, for example N95 or normal masks, so that have that may not have that kind of property to kill the mask or kill the germs in very limited period of time. But this particular technology has a good feature of killing mask within 2 hours of time, and it is quite good for breathing purpose. So it is completely breathable, and it has a perfect seal so that outside air will not come into your contact of your nose directly. So let us open it and we'll see one by one. I'll tell you the price as well. So let me go ahead and tell. So basically the price of this mask is around 10 euros. I'll share the link as well in the description. You can see that. And so this is the mask. Okay, so all the features of this mask is written over here. Let me read it out quickly. It is a economical and durable, and the main purpose of this mask is washable. I have given an review of PureMe N95 mask as well earlier. So that was also reusable and washable mask. So this is also washable, but this company claims that we can wash it for 50 consecutive washes. So each wash will definitely after 1 or 2 weeks of usage, you can definitely go for 1 wash. So it has an tendency. I mean you can go for 50 direct washes in this particular mask. And then it has reusable and around 50 watts. Then protective 3-layer construction design, allow for breathing without restrictions, designed for general purposes. So this is basically designed for general purpose. You can directly go ahead and go for some pollution place as well. You can use it while driving as well. You can use it while you are cleaning house. This can be useful for anyone basically, whenever you are outside, or even if you are working in your home, or if you're working in some other industrial area or some offices as well, you can use this mask. Then it has basically an inner layer, a middle layer and an outer layer. So I cannot open it basically, but it has completely mentioned the steps that the inner layer has a soft and breathable Polygiene, the silver ion treated fabric. So inner layer is the most important layer for this mask, which is basically killing 99% of the germ in 2 hours of time. And the middle layer is non-woven fabric with good microbial filtration efficiency, the middle layer. And the outer layer, which is this one, outer layer is water repellent fabric and antibacterial treatment. So bacteria will not enter this particular outer layer as well. So and it is water repellent, so water will not stick to this material, but it will go away. So this is the feature of this mask, reusable 3-layer cloth face mask. So let me put it up and then we can see that whether it is how it is basically. So let us do it quickly. And this one actually I have to seal this first of all to use it. So let me seal it. This is very clear, done. And the same way we can do it on this side as well. Make sure that it is divided into half, and then you can close, you can seal this. Done. So this is done. This is basically just normal rubber, and if I put it off, so this one, I guess you are able to see, and this one, so it is completely sealed, right? So if you are able to see, there is no place where the air will go away into my nose or the breathable area, right? So see, this is completely fit and fine. This is one mask. So this mask is the price is around 10 euros, or maybe I'll definitely confirm that once again. And yeah, this is the mask. I do have another mask with me. Let us review that as well. So this one, this is the Tasca mask. So this is a general purpose mask. General in the sense anyone can use it, but this has to be used along with the surgical mask. So we do know the surgical mask, right? So surgical mask does not have the capability to water repellent capability, right? It will definitely absorb the water, but this mask will be an outer covering of that particular surgical mask. So it has mentioned that fabric water repellent mask, and they have mentioned it is reusable, hand washable and insert into medical mask or filter. So this mask can be used along with the filter. That mask has already an inbuilt filter, the inner layer, right? But here we have to attach a filter along with it. Let us open it and we'll see. So this is the mask. So this mask has an outer layer which is water repellent, and inner layer which is basically similar to the PureMe N95 mask that we saw. And here we have to attach the filters. The filters that we got is PM 2.5, which is a carbon filter. And this mask can also be used along with the surgical mask. You know the surgical mask, right? That can be first put into the mouth, the breathable area, and then we can put this particular mask. Okay. So let me open one of the filter and then attach it along with that. So I have one PM 2.5 basically the carbon filter, and I am attaching it inside it. So this is very simple, straightforward. Just need to put it inside this layer which is already been given. Yeah, done. So that's it, nothing else is required. So you need to make sure that which particular portion is basically covering your head basically. So it is a shape you can able to see, right? It's an oval kind of shape. So you have to make sure which area basically fits you. And then let me seal it up like I mentioned. It will be open based upon your size that you can adjust. Let me put it. Yeah, so this is a very thin mask. It also has a 3-layer right now after adding the filter, but before adding the filter it is not a 3-layer. So if once you add your filter, you can use it for general purpose. Like without adding filter, it is difficult to use it for general purpose. I will not recommend you to use without filter for this particular mask. So this way it seems that it is very comfortable for me. So this is what. So it's a very simple mask. This mask name is Tasca. So most important, let me tell you the feature of these two masks. normally the mask that we see in the market will not be water repellent, right? So this is the water repellent mask. Along with water repellent, it has a Swedish technology of killing the germs, 99% of the germs within 2 hours of time. That is the most important mask. Okay, that is the most important thing I just wanted to convey you guys. So the mask that we normally use is N95 mask. So normally for this particular viruses and the flu related things, we should use a mask which is antibacterial, and the germs should be killed in very less amount of time. That's what we need. And reusable, we can directly wash this mask inside and then we can again use it. 50 wash it is giving. That's all, friends. So this is what I wanted to share, and I do right now I'm using this PureMe N95 mask, but this is also the good one. I can say, while I compare between PureMe and this particular mask, in PureMe we need to use the filters, but here filters are already inside it, so we don't need to purchase filters additionally. Okay, here it is additional filter need to be required. So I would definitely suggest for this one Aropec mask, because it does not require a filter, water resistance, killing bacteria is very fast. That's all. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, please give a like, please put the like, and if you have any queries regarding this mask or any of the masks that you want to know, please write in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel for further updates and further videos. Thanks, and thanks for watching. Bye and take care.